Orange peel, the part that you usually throw away, contain more protective plant compounds than the juicy part you eat. Scientists have found that citrus peels are packed with natural chemicals that plants use for self-defense, healing, and survival. We are about to discover why orange peels are specifically powerful, what makes them different from the fruit itself, and how to turn them into a fine powder you can store and use for months. Now let's get to it right here on Essential Cures. Orange peel is not waste, it's protection technology. To understand orange peels, imagine an orange as a living survival system. Inside, the fruit is soft, sweet, and vulnerable, like a delicate liquid-filled capsule. But the peel is the armor layer. In nature, plants cannot run away from danger, so they evolve chemical protection system inside their outer layer. And that is exactly what orange peel is, a natural shield designed to protect the fruit from damage, infection, and dehydration. And this is why it contains a higher concentration of protective compounds than the inside fruit. What makes orange peels so powerful? First, we have flavonoids, which are the plant's defense molecules. Orange peels contain compounds like hesperidin and norangin. Think of flavonoids like tiny invisible soldiers inside the peel. Their job in nature is to protect the fruit from environmental stress, fight damage caused by oxygen exposure, and defend against microbes and pests. Inside the human body, these compounds behave like cell protectors. Like if your body was a city, flavonoids act like maintenance workers repairing damage caused by daily stress. Then we have the limonene, that is the citrus power oil. That strong citrus smell you notice when you peel an orange comes from limonene, a natural essential oil. In plants, limonene acts like a warning signal and defense barrier. It helps repel insects in nature, reduce microbial growth on the surface, and protect the fruit from spoilage. In everyday terms, limonene is like a natural aromatic shield that keeps the fruit safe while also producing that refreshing scent we recognize instantly. And finally, we have the pectin, that is the digestive sponge fiber. Inside the white inner layer of the peel is pectin, a type of soluble fiber. Think of pectin as a soft sponge moving through water. In the body, it absorbs water in the digestive system, helps slow down digestion, and also supports beneficial gut bacteria. This is why citrus fiber is often studied for its role in gut balance and digestion support. This matters because most people only consume the juice of the orange. But scientifically speaking, many of the fruit's protective compounds are concentrated in the peel, not the pulp. So when the peel is thrown away, a large portion of the fruit's natural chemical defense system is lost. So the reason we turn orange peels into powder is because fresh orange peels are full of moisture. And this only means that they are bound to spoil quickly, grow mold easily, and cannot be stored for long term. But when we dry and grind them, something interesting happens. We are essentially doing what nature does slowly over time. That is removing water and concentrating plant compounds into a stable form. This turns the peel into a natural shelf-stable plant powder. Benefits of powder include long storage life, easy to measure and use, concentrated aroma and compounds, and versatile in food and household use. Think of it like this. Fresh peel is like fresh leaves. Powder is like dried spices, stronger, longer lasting, and easier to use. Now here's how to make orange peel powder step by step, in a clear and practical way. First step, select and clean the oranges. Start with fresh, healthy oranges. Wash them thoroughly under running water. This matters because oranges may carry natural dust, wax, or residues from handling. Cleaning ensures you are working with a safe base material. If possible, choose organic oranges or scrub gently with a brush. In step 2, peel the oranges. Carefully remove the outer skin. You can use only the bright orange layer for strong aroma or include some white peach for extra fiber content. Think of this step as separating the protective armor from the fruit. In step 3, cut into small pieces. Slice the peels into thin strips or small pieces. This step is important because smaller pieces dry faster and more evenly. It is similar to breaking large wood into smaller sticks. That way it burns or dries more efficiently. Step 4 involves drying the peels. This is where you remove the moisture. You can choose one of the following methods. The first method is sun drying, which is a natural method. Place peels in a clean tray. Leave under the sunlight for 2 to 4 days and bring them indoors at night to avoid moisture. The second method is oven drying, This is the first drying method. Set low temperature of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Dry for 2 to 4 hours and check regularly to avoid burning. And the last method is air drying, the gentle method. Place in a dry, well-ventilated area. It takes longer but preserves natural aroma. You will know they are ready when they become crisp, dry, and break easily like chips. Now step 5 is where we grind into powder. Once fully dried, transfer the peels into a blender or grinder. Blend until you get a fine even powder. At this stage, the texture should feel similar to spice. Powder light, dry, and aromatic. And finally, step 6, the proper storage. This is where you transfer the powder into an airtight container. The ideal storage condition should be cool place, away from sunlight, and dry environment. This helps preserve aroma and prevents moisture absorption. So how do we use orange peel powder? Once prepared, this powder becomes very versatile. It can be mixed into tea for a natural citrus aroma, added to smoothies for flavor and fiber, used in baking like cakes and cookies, mixed into yogurt or porridge, and used as a natural air freshener in small bowls. Think of it as a multi-purpose natural spice made from something most people throw away. Try preparing your orange peel powder at home. Come back and share with us your results in the comment section. I'm really interested in knowing. Bye!